Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we uncover the best tools and strategies to help you make money online. Today, we're diving into DeepSeek, the AI tool that's been making headlines for its incredible capabilities. But here's the real question. How exactly can DeepSeek help you make money? Stick around, because in this video, I'll show you step by step how to use DeepSeek to generate income online. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what DeepSeek is. Okay, so imagine having this super smart AI friend who's down to help you with literally anything, from writing a killer blog post to mapping out your entire business plan. That's DeepSeek in a nutshell. It's an AI-powered platform designed to assist with everything from content creation to, seriously business planning. It's like having a personal assistant but way less high maintenance. You know what I mean? You don't have to make small talk or remember their birthday. It can brainstorm ideas, write content, and even help you build a business plan. And the best part? It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're completely new to this whole AI thing. Seriously, it's so easy to use. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, DeepSeek has something to offer. It's kind of amazing when you think about it. This technology is insane. And it's only getting better, which is both exciting and a little scary at the same time. But mostly exciting, right? Right. Now let's get to the good stuff. How DeepSeek can actually help you make money. Because let's be real, that's what we're all here for, right? So DeepSeek can help you make money in a bunch of different ways. First up, content creation. DeepSeek can help you write blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, you name it. It's like having a ghostwriter on speed dial, but without the awkward phone calls and the fear of them ghosting you. Next, we've got digital product ideas. If you've ever thought about creating and selling your own digital products, like ebooks, courses, or templates, DeepSeek can help you come up with killer ideas and even create the content for you. It's like having a whole product development team at your fingertips. And then there's business planning. DeepSeek can help you research your target market, analyze your competitors, and even create financial projections. It's like having a business coach and a financial advisor rolled into one. But wait, there's more. DeepSeek can also help you with freelance services, affiliate marketing, and even scaling your business. It's like the Swiss Army knife of online money-making tools. Seriously, the possibilities are kind of endless. Let's dive deeper into a few of these strategies. One of the best ways to make money online is by selling digital products. And guess what? DeepSeek can help you do just that. It's seriously a game changer. So, I started by asking DeepSeek, what are some profitable digital product ideas I can create and sell online? And within seconds, it gave me a whole list of ideas. We're talking ebooks on trending topics, online courses, printable planners, stock photos or graphics, you name it, DeepSeek had an idea for it. I decided to go with online courses because they're scalable and have high profit margins. Plus, I kind of like the idea of teaching people stuff. It's like I'm basically a teacher now, but without the whole grading papers and dealing with parents thing. Next, I asked DeepSeek, what are the most in-demand topics for online courses right now? And it totally delivered. It suggested niches like freelancer finance, AI tools for beginners, and remote work productivity. I chose freelancer finance because it's a growing niche with a lot of demand. Plus, I'm kind of obsessed with personal finance, so it just made sense. And get this, DeepSeek even gave me a detailed outline for the course, including modules like understanding freelancer taxes and budgeting for freelancers. This saved me hours of research and planning. Can you believe it? DeepSeek is seriously the best. It's like having a personal assistant, a business coach, and a research team all rolled into one. Another way to make money with DeepSeek is through content creation. Whether you're running a blog, YouTube channel, or social media account, content is king. And DeepSeek can help you create killer content that people actually want to read, watch, and share. I tested this out by asking DeepSeek, can you write a blog post about the top AI tools for freelancers? And I swear, it was like magic. In less than a minute, it generated a well-structured article with headings, subheadings, and even a call to action at the end. I was shook. If you're monetizing your blog through ads or affiliate marketing, this kind of content can drive traffic and boost your earnings. Plus, you can repurpose the same content for social media posts or YouTube videos, saving you even more time. It's like DeepSeek is a content creating machine. And the best part is, it never gets tired, it never complains, and it never asks for a raise. What more could you ask for? Okay, so freelancing is another great way to make money, and DeepSeek can help you stand out in a competitive market. It's your secret weapon to freelance success. For example, if you're a freelance writer, you can use DeepSeek to generate article ideas, write drafts, or even create templates for client proposals. It's like having a writing partner who's always full of ideas and never gets writer's block. I tested this by asking DeepSeek, can you write a sample blog post about sustainable living? And the result was amazing. It was a high-quality article that I could easily pitch to a client. But wait, there's more. DeepSeek can also help you with pricing strategies, client communication, and even marketing your freelance services. It's like having a business coach in your pocket. Seriously, DeepSeek is the ultimate freelance sidekick. It's like having a whole team of experts at your fingertips, but without the whole overhead costs and HR nightmares. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online, and DeepSeek can make it even easier. It's affiliate marketing on autopilot. I asked DeepSeek, can you write a product review for the best AI tools for content creators? And it totally nailed it. It generated a detailed review that included pros, cons, and even affiliate links. If you're running a blog or YouTube channel, this kind of content can help you earn commissions without creating your own products. The key is to choose products that align with your niche and audience. And guess what? DeepSeek can even help you brainstorm affiliate products to promote, making the process seamless. It's like having a personal shopper for affiliate products. Seriously, DeepSeek is the affiliate marketer's best friend. It's like having a whole team of marketers working for you, but without the whole salary negotiations and office drama. Once you've started making money, DeepSeek can help you scale your business. It's your secret weapon to going from side hustle to full-time empire. For example, you can use it to automate customer support. DeepSeek can generate FAQs and email templates, so you don't have to spend all day answering the same questions over and over again. You can also use DeepSeek to create marketing campaigns. It can write ad copy, social media posts, and email newsletters, so you can focus on the bigger picture. And if you really want to stay ahead of the game, you can use DeepSeek to analyze trends. It can help you identify emerging trends in your niche, so you can be the first to capitalize on them. The possibilities are endless, and the more you use DeepSeek, the more you'll realize its potential to grow your income streams. It's like having a business growth hacker on speed dial. Seriously, DeepSeek is the real deal. It's like having a whole team of experts working for you, but without the whole office politics and coffee runs. And there you have it, a complete guide to making money with DeepSeek. Whether you're creating digital products, freelancing, or diving into affiliate marketing, this AI tool can save you time and help you generate income faster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips on making money online. Got questions or want me to test another AI tool? Drop a comment below and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay creative, and let's build something amazing together. Peace out.